I never thought that putting the orange peel behind the door would cause this. I assure you that this advice will surprise you a lot, since very few people know it. But first, tell me if you have had any experience using orange peels. I am sure that what you are going to learn today, you will tell your whole family. But that's not all, because I'm also going to teach you another super tip that will help you to shine and give shine to all kinds of wood you have at home. Pay close attention, the good starts now. Welcome to Jennifer's Tips. I invite you to subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications so that you are the first to receive our advice. First, I will show you the tip to shine wood. To start, we are going to take a medium-sized atomizer. With the help of a funnel, I'm going to add half a cup of apple cider vinegar. You can also use white vinegar. Then we add half a cup of vegetable oil, which you normally use in the kitchen. Now we remove the funnel. We also add 10 to 15 drops of baby oil or odor essence. This will neutralize the vinegar and oil and give a more pleasant smell. We cover and beat very well. Now we just have to try. As you can see, this wood looks quite opaque and dry. I'm going to spray gently all over this part. With the help of a funnel, I'm going to apply evenly. You can apply this to the kitchen cabinets, doors, and furniture you have at home. I assure you that they will be spectacular. Look at how good it looks here. Now we are going to continue with today's special advice. Orange is one of the best known and used fruits in the world. What very few people know is that after consuming them, peels can have many utilities that we can't even imagine. I always send greetings at the end of the videos. So let me know from which country you are watching me, so I can send you a special greeting in our next videos. When placing orange peels behind the doors of the house, insects will not approach. This is a supernatural and homemade alternative for those who do not like toxic repellents and chemicals. It is also ideal for where there are small children. Another use you can give orange peels is to crush them in a blender. And once crushed, use paper towel and wrap them inside. You can place them in the windows of the house and mainly in the kitchen. Peels expel a fairly acidic smell that bothers insects and pests, keeping them away. And if you want a homemade scented bath, you just have to take the orange peels and put them in a glass with alcohol and let them rest for 2 days. These are just a few tips. These are just some of the many benefits of orange peels. Which of these 2 tips today did you find the most brilliant? If you found them interesting, let them reach someone who could be of help. Today's greeting is for Ina Cristina from Argentina and for Gabriel Valdez from the Dominican Republic. Thank you for watching us. If you enjoyed this video and want to receive other similar tips, leave me below. I want more tips, so I'll know if I'm doing it right. Do them at home and then come back here and let me know how it turned out. So far today's video, I say goodbye wishing you the richest blessings.